In previous video, we have seen how to use concatenation, and in this video, we will learn how to use placeholder syntax. So let's start it. Go to Visual Studio. Actually, to write to console, there are two different ways. This first is called concatenation, and the second we are going to talk is placeholder syntax. To do so, let me first comment this line. Okay, so instead of using concatenation, we can make use of placeholder syntax. To do that, I'm gonna use console.writeLine within double quotes my message, good morning, and curly braces, and within curly braces 0. So this is treated as one string. Space, comma, and the variable name, result, and I'm gonna run this now. The output is going to be same, I hope. Enter your name. I'm entering my name, Abhinav, and when I press enter, the result is the same, good morning, Abhinav. So this is the use of placeholder syntax. This is concatenation and this is placeholder syntax. Okay friends, that's all for now. Thank you.